All right, turning our attention to our west, where flooding turned deadly over the weekend. Families in Western Virginia and Kentucky navigating waterlogged roads after intense rain over the weekend. And now they're getting help from folks here in Hampton Roads. The Virginia Beach Fire Department was stationed in Richland, Virginia. Firefighters say they helped save a couple dozen people. We know some spots saw over 6 inches of rain. Take a look at this video. It prompted multiple flood warnings across 4 states. We know at least 9 people have been killed in the flooding, 8 of them from the state of Kentucky. The governor there says most died after their cars were swept away by quickly rising floodwaters. You think about how terrifying that is. President Donald Trump approved a federal disaster declaration for Kentucky, making federal funding available to those impacted areas. Meantime, Virginia Governor Glenn Youngkin says he also submitted an expedited major disaster declaration to the president.